You can make $70,000 a year after a few months of courses, and then make $100,000 plus as a data analyst. First off, let's talk about the courses and skills you need. You can start with online courses that teach you the essentials of data analysis. Websites like Coursera and edX offer these courses. These courses are developed by top universities and will give you a solid foundation in data analysis, teaching you how to interpret and manage data. If you're looking for a more immersive experience, bootcamps like General Assembly can be game changers. They're intense, full-time programs that last about 3-6 months and are designed to equip you with job-ready skills. Now, let's get into certifications. They are a great way to show potential employers that you have specific data analysis skills. Look into the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate or the Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate to get started. As for the salary, it's quite motivating. Entry-level data analysts can expect to start with a salary that ranges, on average, from $5,500 to $70,000, and with a few years of experience under your belt, you could be looking at a salary bump to somewhere between $7,000 and $100,000 or higher. Wondering what a typical day looks like? Well, a data analyst's day is varied and dynamic. You might start your morning by checking in on your data streams and attending meetings to set your priorities. Afternoon could have you deep in data sets, running analyses, and creating visualizations to turn that data into insights. And by the end of the day, you're documenting your findings and maybe even sharing your insights with your team or stakeholders.